Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable canonical tags to prevent duplicate SEO UI issues, full guide step by step clearly. To enable canonical tags, start by accessing your website's content management system. Navigate to the page you want to optimize for SEO. Find the section where you can edit the HTML or SEO settings of the page. Look for the head section of the HTML document. Insert the canonical tag within the head section. The format of the canonical tag is as follows: link rel equals canonical ref equals URL /. Replace URL with the preferred version of the page. Make sure to use the full URL, including https:// or http://. Save the changes to the page. Next, check for any other pages that may have duplicate content. Repeat the process by adding canonical tags to these pages as well. For e-commerce sites, be mindful of product variations that may create duplicates. If you're using a content management system like WordPress, consider using an SEO plugin. Plugins like Yoast SEO or All-in-One SEO can simplify the process. After installing the plugin, navigate to the settings for the specific page. Look for the canonical URL field. Enter the preferred URL in this field and save the changes. Once you have added canonical tags, test your implementation. Use tools like Google Search Console to check for errors or duplicates. Keep monitoring your site for new pages that may require canonicalization. Educating your team about SEO best practices can further reduce duplicate content issues. Document the steps in your website's SEO guidelines for future reference. By regularly auditing your site for duplicate content, you can maintain strong SEO performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.